Hello, ohayo gozaimasu. So for today's video po, it's my birthday. Yes, it's my birthday and we're going to Universal Studio, Japan. And this will be my first time going there, so I'm so excited because there's so many area na gustong-gusto ko talagang masakyan. At sabi nga nila, mas maraming extreme rides doon, in which I like the most compared with Disneyland. But I'm hoping na ma-enjoy ko tong araw na to. So, see you there.
A few inches later.
Okay, so we're currently here at nakapila na. Medyo mahaba na po talaga siya. Since we don't have express pass or yung priority access, we have to go here early para makatakbo sa Nintendo World. Ayan. Ayan na po, magbubukas na mga kaibigan. Ayan na. OMG, it's time to run. It's time to run.
A few inches later.
Ayan na, tumatakbo na kami. Run! Visit ka Nintendo World. Puta. Ano sabi mo, friend? Ewan. Hey, pwede pa, pwede. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Arigato. OMG, nakapasok ako sa Nintendo World. Ano, friend? Tara na, pasok. Ayan na si Mario. Visit ka, Mario. Ayun na. Ayun na siya. Nintendo World. Hindi na, pero mag-standby muna tayo. Ito na po. Pasok na. Okay, so our first ride will be the minecart ni Donkey Kong kasi ito yung isang sa pinakabago at pinakamagandang ride dito. Estimated waiting time, I'm not sure. Wow. Ang ganda. Pinaganda. Thank you, arigato. Okay, so para-paraan kami. single lang yung sinakyan namin. Kahit hindi magkatabi, basta mauna lang kami. Ayan. So again, our first ride would be Donkey Kong Madness, Minecart Madness.
Madali pala pag single, no? Skip na.
Pero ano kasi yan, friend? Hindi magkakatabi, gano'n. Sige na, friend. Oo, gora na.
Pero,
Okay, so we decided not to ride muna sa minecarts. Kasi 3 hours waiting time, oh my god. So nilabas muna namin, kumuha muna kami ng time entry sa Nintendo World. So ngayon, sasakay muna kami sa Jurassic World. Kasi 15 minutes of waiting time. Sayang naman kasi pag di namin na-maximize yung oras. Ayan. So what we're gonna do now is to maximize our time with other rides na may small waiting time or short waiting time. So dito sa Jurassic World, mas maiksi ang pila, mas maiksi ang waiting time. So dito muna kami sa 2 rides na ito. So our first ride would be the Flying Dinosaur. Ito siya.
A few inches later.
Okay, so we're done with the Flying Dinosaurs. It's quite extreme. Actually, extreme siya pero hindi siya ganun kahaba, but it's so good. So I'm gonna rate this ride 9/10. Actually, 10/10 sana kung mas mahaba, but extreme talaga ang saya. It's a must ride.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, arigato. Gugulat talaga. Hindi naman masyadong basa, sakto lang. Okay, so our next ride would be Jurassic the Ride. Kung sa anong klaseng ride to? Para siyang jungle log jump. Jungle log jump na super improved with stories.
high graphics.
Yeah. Wow. High graphics. With 3D. Ayan, so dito 5 minutes waiting time lang. Friend, what is your expectation sa ride na to?
Should be scary
Ay. And it should be wary.
at the same time.
Ayan na po. Ayan na.
A few inches later.
巨大な生物が地上を持ち歩いていた世界。ようこそジュラシック・パークへ。
Jurassic Park, ayan na.
の生物の一種です。しかし大きな体に似合わず、性格は至っておとなしく、
Biglang
人
mambabasa.
を襲うようなことはありません。
Ganun lang daw. Oops, basa ka agad ah.
Malinis man.
Malinis oh. Guys, grabe yung tubig, ang linis oh. Ayan na. Tapos biglang lalakas. Di naman.
この入り江にはパラサウロロフスのようなカモノハシ恐竜が何種類か生息しています。
すぐにボートを元のコースに戻します。
OMG. Ayun na, friend. Ang taas ah. Uy. Wala pa. Dinosaur oh. Ay, Diyos ko po. Ayan. Ganda. 10/10. Basa yung iba. Okay, so we're heading towards sa Hollywood Dream Rides. It's a roller coaster ride din, kagaya ni Flying Dinosaur. Pero ito, yung normal, the traditional. Ano man sabi mo dun sa huli nating ride? Basaan. Yeah, it's so weary. Yeah, it's so weary. Ayan. So doon muna kami sa mga small waiting time, sayang yung oras. Okay, so nandito na po kami sa Hollywood Dream Roller Coaster. So, dalawang choice po siya, isang front, isang back. So pinili po namin ni Benji is yung backdrop para medyo mas extreme. Ayan. And then later on yung paharap naman. Bye-bye.
Binibidyan sa kulo.
Ulo. Ah, ito yung backdrop.
Diba?
Ah, ito na. Ah, wow. There you have it. Ready ka na, friend? Ready ka na? Okay. So, let's see kung maganda. By the way, habang umaandar ka, kailangan mamili ng sounds. Ng music mo. Ayun.
What are you going to choose?
Yeah. Ako, 1D kasi for the Gen Z tayo eh.
Taylor Swift.
Wow.
Shake it off.
Sige, let's see. Okay, so kami na po. Backdrop. Ayan.
A few inches later.
Okay, so natapos na po na namin ang Hollywood Backdrop Roller Coaster. Friend, ano masasabi mo? Yeah, maganda siya actually. Tapos nakaka-enjoy yung mga music habang umaandar siya. So backdrop is like, yeah, parang nahuhulog ka, no?
Backdrop.
Yeah.
Parang nahuhulog.
Naumpog nga ako eh.
Ay.
Yeah, naumpog ako. Gumaganon kasi ako. Napapaganon ako, yun. Ganda siya.
Nakaban ako baka mamaya.
I think,
Bumigay pa.
I think this one is 10/10.
Yeah, 10/10.
Sakto yung haba niya, maganda. Ayan, okay. So, nandito na po kami ulit sa Nintendo World for our standby pass.
Hindi pala ko yung binabago. Pala ko yung binabago.
Happy birthday. Okay, so nandito na po kami kay Super Nintendo World. Ang daming tao. Yay! Wow. Dito sa baba, yung star. Kasama yung star. May pila din talaga siya, oh. 1 star, konnichiwa.
One, okay, three. Which Pokemon flavor?
Mushroom.
Mushroom. Okay, avocado is inside or outside?
Inside.
Inside. Okay, mushroom. Okay.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Arigato.
Oh wait, your birthday. Okay, let me check.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh.
wait here.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
now inside.
Popcorn, okay.
Okay. Outside mushroom cream flavor.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, so I've got my popcorn with star. Ayan, okay. I'm so happy, nakabili na rin ako nito sa was. Magamit ko sa lahat ng Universal Studio tour ko. Ayan si Mario. Hello! Si Luigi. Hello! Hello! Ang liit. Ang cute. Wala si Star. Okay, so we decided na sumakay na lang kay Minecart Donkey Kong. Kahit na 2 hours ang waiting time since hindi na po kami nakapag-secure ng standby pass. Ayan, so chinatsagaan na namin kasi baka hindi na kami makabalik dito.
Pinangahawakan ng kanila. Na Universal Studios yung yung elbow. Hindi nila binibita.
By the way, this one, the Minecart Madness ni Donkey Kong is one of the newest right here in Universal Studio. Wherein, yung mga reels niya putol-putol tapos sobrang enjoy daw kapag dinarate ka dito. Ayan. Kaya isa siya sa mga pinipilahan talaga. In fact, the waiting time here is 2 hours. So as of the moment, 30 minutes na po kami nakapila. So 1.5 hour. So ayan, papasok na po kami. Mahaba-haba pa to.
A few inches later.
So, after waiting for 1.5 hour, friends, sasakay na tayo. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're so excited. Ito na po. OMG. This is it, guys. Woo! Ayan na. Ganda, oh. Tangin na. Ayan na. Tangino.
A few inches later.
Okay, so we're done with our ride here at Minecart Madness sa Donkey Kong World, and it's a must ride. It's a short one but it's a must again. At saka ang maganda dito is yung railings niya. Ang ganda kasi hindi mo ina-expect na walang railings yung dadaanan mo, pero dire-diretso siya. So Japan is really high-tech in terms of their rides talaga. Ang ganda. So it's a must ride.
Hindi. 5 minutes.
So for our next ride, it's the Mario Kart Koopas Challenge. This one, we don't know kung anong meron dito, but it's more likely interactive games or immersive. So the estimated waiting time here is 75 minutes, more than 1 hour. Walang katapusan, friend, oh. Ay, 3D nga din siya.
3D, 4D.
3.
A few inches later.
Ayan, so after more than 1 hour of waiting, nandito na po kami sa loob. Ayoko dito, friend.
A few inches later.
OMG. Hindi niyo po nakikita yung mga nakikita namin mga kaibigan. May lumalabas dyan. Ano man sabi mo, friend? Okay. Ako rin. Very interactive lang.
Sinila natin to.
Yeah. More than 1.5 hour.
Ang hirap lang gawa naman kung saan makita yun.
Agree. Okay, so palabas na po kami ng Mario World, Nintendo World. So we're going to Water World na po. Okay, so we're here now at the Water World to watch the show.
Enjoy, Mario.
Thank you. Mario. Ba't Mario? Ay kasi red. Buti daw bumili sombrero, friend. Wow, ito na. Sisimula na. Okay, so yan, natapos na po namin panoorin ng Water World. According to friend, same lang naman except for the language. Tama ba? Yes.
Maganda yung volume dito ng...
Maganda yung volume
Kasi
sounds.
sa Singapore,
Basta.
ay may lapel sila.
Ah, may lapel.
So hindi mo masyadong intindihan.
Okay, so
Although
ito.
English.
Ah,
Pero
yun.
dito sa ano, walang subtitle. Pero
Walang
yung-
subtitle.
Ano naman eh.
Same.
Maintindihan mo naman yung kwento based sa actions nila.
Yeah, tsaka kung
Ano
napanood nyo na. Okay, ayun lang. Dito ba? Horror. Okay, so our next stop is the Space Fantasy. Ayan, so titingnan natin kung anong meron dito sa part na to. The waiting time is only 20 minutes, so unahin na namin to. So we're now here inside of the Space Fantasy. Ayan, iniwan lang po namin lahat ng gamit namin sa locker for 100 yen.
A few inches later.
Okay, so kakatas lang po namin sa Space Fantasy. Friend, ano masasabi mo?
Ayos na.
Yeah, it's good. Para siyang Space Mountain.
The last part, yung may white.
Yeah. Maganda siya, para siyang Space Mountain na umikot-ikot. Disneyland version. Yeah.
A few inches later.
So ayan, rest muna po kami for a while. Kain muna kami dito sa Mel's Drive-In. Ayan. So para siyang diner type ng restaurant. Ayan, nag-order lang si Benji doon. So yun, after neto, pupunta na kami sa sa Harry Potter World. Ayan. Okay, so we're done eating. Papunta na po kami ngayon sa Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Ayan. We're so excited kasi isa to sa mga pinunta talaga namin dito. Okay, so ito po yung papasok kay Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Ayan. Wow! Maganda rito, friend, sa gabi.
Maganda yung gabi.
Oo, maganda sa gabi. Balik tayo mamayang gabi dito. Ito na yung butterbeer, friend, oh. Pero sakay muna tayo.
Yeah, you know.
Okay, so nasa Hogwarts na po kami. Oh, friend, ano naman sabi mo sa itsura ng Hogwarts?
It seems familiar.
Ay, oh yeah. It seems like
The place where I came.
I've been here before. Ay,
I've been here before.
mamaya mag-ano po kami, mag-spell po kami. Tignan nyo. Sige lang.
機械だわヒポグリフへの正しい接し方をみんなで学びましょう
I'd love to learn how to best approach Fleetwing. Fleetwing?
So, ayan. Sige, friend, pasok. Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Okay, so we are now entering the Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey ride. At dito po siya papasok sa Hogwarts School of Wizardry. Wingardium Leviosa. Aloha Mora. Stupefy. The Spectrum Petroleum Lubricant.
Anyway, we thought you might prefer to come with us and see a game of Quidditch. Let's get you.
Hermione did it! They're flying! Keep up, Ron! We're on our way. We'll meet you outside. Sorry about that. Those fences can be a bit dodgy. Can we ambush anyone yet? Not this week, anyway.
Hey, you lot! Come see the dragon, have you?
Right, come on. We'll live over to the Quidditch pitch. Look out!
Okay guys, so tapos na po kami dito sa Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Friend, anong masasabi mo? Anong ganon? Maganda siya, yes. Is it one of the best ride for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's one of the best. It's a must. Maganda siya. Interactive,
Pinexpect ko
sobra.
na. Akala ko ano na siya parang,
Roller coaster,
oo, parang ganun.
ganon. Maganda siya. And so, dito muna kami sa labas, paikot-ikot. Of course, we're going to try the butterbeer. Cheers, tayo, friend. Cheers. Ang sarap. Ang sarap, ah. Oishi. Ang sarap. Ang sarap, the best. Ang sarap.
Lagi ka na yung mustache.
Ay. Maganda yung nasa mug. Ayun, so naglalamyarda lang po kami dito sa Hogwarts habang nag-aantay ng iba pang rides. Ayan. Sarap, nakakawalan ng wow.
A few inches later.
Okay, so now we're going to watch, anong show to? Universal Monster Rock and Roll Show. Yan, manonood muna kami neto. Hello, hi. 2. Okay, okay, thank you. Ayan, so 15 minutes na lang mag-start na po siya. And this will be considered our rest muna habang nanonood ng show. Ayan. Okay, so it was a lovely performance from the Rock and Roll Universal Studio. So, yeah, although kanina medyo inantok kami, pero nag-start yung movie or yung performance or the presentation, it was really good. So, it's a must-see also, especially if you are resting dito sa Universal Studio after a long, tiring day. Ayan. Okay, so far, ang mga napuntahan na namin dito ay yung Hollywood City, the Nintendo World, the Hogwarts, and the Jurassic Park. Ngayon, ang pupuntahan naman namin is yun nga yung mga sinabi ko kanina, yung mga pambata naman, and other cities na hindi pa namin nadaanan. Yung Wonderland, Minion City, and yung iba pa rito na hindi namin nadadaanan. By the way, napuntahan din pala namin yung Lost City of... I forgot the city. Anong city ba yun? So, yun. Kapag nandito kayo para ay nasa US, yung vibe niya, hindi siya mukhang Japan, but syempre malamang galing sa sa Amerika to eh. Okay, so we're here at the Minion Land. Sige. Oo naman, of course not. Of course, yes pala. Sorry. Dito? O, dyan, friend. Dito ba? Okay. Ay, taray. Delicious meat. My description to myself. Delicious meat. Okay, so currently, nandito po kami ngayon sa Minion Land. Medyo konti lang yung tao dito kasi nakafocus sila halos lahat sa 4 major attractions, yung Harry Potter, Nintendo World, Jurassic Park, and the Hollywood. So yan, dito medyo hindi masyadong matao. Ayan. Despicable Me. Kumakanta si Minion. Okay, so we decided to ride dito sa Despicable Me Minion Mayhem. I don't know what's this, but the waiting time is only 45 minutes. So let's go. Become a minion now. Ay.
あんたはミニオンになりたいんやて。じきに訓練が始まるで。でも言うとく、危険がいっぱいや。至るところにな。俺はブルー。あんた名前はどっから来た？大したもんやな。質問。いやー、大きに。さてと。
A few inches later.
Hello everyone, so kakatapos lang namin dito sa Despicable Me Minion Mayhem. So for me, para lang siyang Rialto ng Enchanted Kingdom. Most likely mga bata mag-enjoy dito and it's not a must ride for me. Pero okay na rin, yun nga, kung may kasama kang bata, okay siya. And make sure na kapag sasakay kayo dito, nandun kayo sa front seat kasi pag may nasa harapan nyo, mainis kayo kasi yung ulo nakaharang. Yun lang. Okay, so our next ride would be The Hollywood Dream, pero this time yung paharap naman. Then manonood kami ng Detective Conan. Okay, I'll see you there. That's 850 yen. Medyo maambon na po ngayon. Yeah. Sana tumigil. Naku, huwag sana mangyari sa Disneyland to. Okay, so since it's raining, we decided to watch the Raymond na ng 4D show dito. Ayan. Medyo malakas yung ambon, that's why no choice kami kung hindi mga ano lang, mga indoor show lang. Okay, so we're here now sa theater.
A few inches later.
Okay, so we're done watching the Doraemon 4D show. Oh, ay cute. Napaka-nostalgic niya. At saka ang ganda ng pagkaka-4D na hindi siya nakakalilo. And everything was so good. Nakapagpahinga rin kami at the same time habang umuwi. So, let's see what's next. Yung iba kasi nag-uwian na since maulan. Okay, so that ends our journey here in Universal Studio because as you can see, umuulan. So we spent the remaining hours buying souvenir items na to. Ayan, and nakikita nyo naman regalo sa akin ni Mama. Thank you. Ayan, so I hope you enjoy watching us. Okay, bye. Bye, see you next time.